Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for anyone using a PrimeFilm Pacific Image 1800U, PF 1800U, or 3882B 452 scanner, the Dysead 6FT USB data cable cord. This isn't just any cable. It's specifically engineered to ensure your scanner operates flawlessly, providing a reliable link for all your important data transfers. What immediately stands out about this Dysead cable is its commitment to quality. It's manufactured with high-quality materials, giving a strong sense of durability and longevity. This isn't a flimsy cable. It feels robust enough for consistent use, whether at home or in a busy office environment. A crucial aspect and a true differentiator is its built-in protection. This cable comes equipped with safeguards against overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuits. This feature offers significant peace of mind, knowing your valuable scanner and computer are protected from potential electrical mishaps. Users can plug in and work without constantly worrying about damage. The design of this 6FT USB data cable is also a major plus. It boasts a compact design and low power consumption, making it incredibly practical. For those who need to move their scanner or prefer a tidy workspace, its lighter and smaller form factor is a welcome improvement. The manufacturer guarantees that despite its new, streamlined appearance, the quality remains consistently high. This compact nature also makes it ideal for transport, ensuring a reliable connection wherever you go. The 6-foot length is another thoughtful detail, providing ample reach and flexibility for scanner setup relative to your computer. This length is often the sweet spot, offering freedom without creating excessive clutter. A very important point from the manufacturer, and one users should always double-check, is to ensure the voltage of the appliance matches your device and to confirm the cord tip size. While this cable is specifically for the PrimeFilm Pacific Image 1800U series, verifying these details before purchasing can save hassle and ensure perfect compatibility. It's a small step that guarantees seamless operation with your specific scanner model. In essence, the Dysead 6FT USB data cable cord for the PrimeFilm Pacific Image 1800U scanner isn't just a replacement, it's an upgrade. It offers enhanced protection, a durable build, and a convenient design, all while ensuring efficient and reliable data transfer. For anyone looking to maintain optimal scanner performance, this cable presents itself as a highly dependable choice, focusing on reliability and user convenience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.